Reflection for Sunday, November 26, the Solemnity of our Lord Jesus Christ, King of the Universe. Matthew chapter 25, verse 31 to 46. In 1925, by virtue of his encyclical letter Quas Primas, Pope Pius XI mandated that every last Sunday of October be dedicated as the Feast of Christ the King. This decision was a response to the growing secularism of that time. In 1969, Pope Paul VI assigned the celebration a new date, and henceforth it has been observed every last Sunday of the liturgical year. This modification emphasized Jesus Christ's supreme authority and reign over all creation as the liturgical year concluded and a new one began with the Advent season. Do we want to attract God's blessing upon us? We have to do what Jesus commands us in the Gospel. Jesus tells us to give food to the hungry, give drink to the thirsty, welcome the stranger, give clothes to the naked, take care of the sick, and visit the imprisoned. Jesus is teaching us to discard the me-first mindset. For so many of us have this me-first mindset. What would we feel if we do away with the me-first mindset? We would be free from the bondage of greed and selfishness, which, by the way, is an instrument of Satan. Life in this world is temporary. Therefore, we have to make worthy decisions and take actions that would impact the lives of others. Let us never be concerned about our own life and needs, for God will take care of them as long as we continue to be faithful to Him. Has God ever abandoned anyone who has been faithful to Him? The Gospel tells us that at the end, there shall be judgment and separation among those who followed and did not follow the will of God. Where would you end up during that judgment and separation?